coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda America or I coulda England. Man, yeah, man. So I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter where me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda Canada or I coulda Thailand. Man, yeah. Original yard man. Advanced like internet broadband. All over the world, the girls them want one. Them see the hard man and act, so we so strong. We mix up the roads, now one of we got tan. Well militant man a Spanish Tonian. We no run back a Poland man.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Life of King. But you know, as usual, before we get into the whole thing, you know, we do with due diligence, and we just want to say that whenever, if ever, you hear anything shared on this story that sounds untoward or wayward, please be advised, we at Xpressionz JA in no way or form advocate anything derogatory. We are about healthy edutainment. However, we do believe that if by sharing my story and my journey, it is possible we could get one person to not make some of the stupid decisions I have made, it would have all been worth it. So, with that being said, forward, welcome once again to Life of King. Yeah, people, so you remember we are talking about the whole first time off of the rock saga. People, let me tell you something. It was a bittersweet experience. Sweet because, as you know, we all Jamaicans aspire to jump on the iron bird and go towards the greener pastures. It has been that way since the Windrush days. It still is today. However, there are certain things that, you know, are intertwined with the whole process that sometimes, and I am happy to say, I think for the most part, a lot of it has changed for the better. Because people, when you done selection and go down a Street fit the medical, don't get it twisted in it. You do the selection and you go get called another telegram for the medical, and then you get called for flight processing if you pass the medical. People, it was a thing that you don't know how we Jamaicans stay homophobic to the core. And people, when you look in a room, a big heart, and even 50, let alone 200 man, you understand, have a strip down to the birthday clothes. Or as the hand would call it, first they call it draws order. Pardon my French. You know? So we are in line, and you're supposed to drop the unders, expose, if you have foreskin, roll it back so the equipment can be inspected. And the doctor was very astute and had the attitude of strutting along the way. But if that wasn't bad enough, people is when him up on a return trip. This time, he might come up on your flank. And then, I tell you, it's like when you go to prison. Man, you know, who watched some prison movie, foreign prisons, you know what I mean? But it's a thing where you have to strip and squat and cough. You understand? Because there are certain places that the medical examiner focus on. At a glance, your mouth, the inside of your mouth, meaning you should have enough teeth and not too many cavities, because you know the cold weather in your ears can affect that, and them the one that will affect work. They inspect your foot bottom, Because you have to have bunion. Because bunion is a thing will mess with your movement and you don't want nothing hinder your mobility. As you when them look up for up in other space there, God didn't want to tell me, never try to figure it out because it is just kind of distasteful. You understand? Needless to say, there was a man from somewhere in a rural Jamaica people where, you know, with them time there, bus, country bus, I come from wherever. And if you make the bus left you, you're in a trouble. So a man from West or St. Elizabeth, he might wake up from 4 o'clock because he can't make the bus left him. People may never call the body name because, you know what I mean? Because it is alright to say I was there. It is not alright to share other people's story and involve them there. Anyway, one man, apparently, when he leave him house, forward into Kingston, he suddenly had the desire to have a bowel movement. I don't know if it was the anxiety of the whole foreign saga. You understand? But he already left home. So the only thing he could have done was find the nearest bush. Needless to say, people, this is not sell a bush. You understand? And at 4 o'clock in the morning or before that, you know, shop no open. So he had to use the natural tissue, the green one. But you know, sometimes leaves have a way of breaking up because it's a forceful, abrasive movement, I must imagine. You understand? And somehow there was bits of leaves left there, only to be in a room full of other men. When they tell him, say, squat and spread your cheeks. Let us say the name was Alfred. Only to hear the examiner give out. Alfred, you mean you want to go to farm with the trees growing in your asshole? Pardon the French people, but that was how it came out. You know, the man losing all desire for my foreign. But I forget it before me done. The actual going on the trip. People, let me tell you something. 300 of it. No, allow me to tell you. 50 of it. And this flight was not a chartered flight because sometimes when you get a chartered flight, you just be herded like cattle. And you get a real feeling of slaves on the auction block. But 50 of it was in a commercial flight, but we had to be in the back of the plane. Then they used to allow like smoking, but you have to be at the back when you smoke. Needless to say, in flight, I can't forget, I think I booked up Oliver Samuels on that flight that day, and everybody was excited to meet Oliver. I think there was another famous Jamaican, I think Lieutenant Stitchie was on the flight too. Anyway, now you can't make a quote about that. But guess what? Remember, you know, people, some of them men are from St. Portland, them have them yellow cowboy boot because them traveled before. And them sombrero, and them purple shirt, and orange crimpling pants, and them dressed to the nine. And let me tell you something, the people. Them carry some Samsonite suitcase. You could have put half a tree in there, and still it still look like it. And sometimes in that suitcase, it's only another shirt and a pants. But remember when it come back, you can't carry it. Anyway, it was amazing on the flight. I hear Canada, and I couldn't forget my first time. So you know, me just soak up everything like a dry sponge, people. And let me tell you something. The air hostess come down the aisle and she strut out like a stuff with her like a trolley. Would you like a drink, sir? Would you like a drink, sir? And, yeah, man. What do you like? Give me that. Give me beer. But lo and behold, people, the man them never realized, and me too, cause as me said, me was a newbie, that when them put a can of beer, that could suffice maybe 3 passengers. Jesus, them a good. Yo, the man them get bitter and bring them. ceremonious about it. That them just start grab with the teeth from the hostess them and say, we are that. And you know, when they go in at the pot and some man from around them and send Portland and some far country, who were hostess them? You know, say the people them left the trolley in at the aisle and go back. And the man them start just help themselves. As I look back, I saw schnapps and all kind of thing, man, just a beat cognac and as I see the air hostess them again, give me this, give me that, give me this, give me that. But here the wicked part, people. About a hour before landing, them give me some landing slips or forms to fill out, you know, and based on where you're going, blah, blah, blah. People, most of the men them were facing and rude to the air hostess. They could not fill out the thing, not even start by putting them name, because they wouldn't know which part to put it. So I would say them name figure there. I was so embarrassed. But at the same time, I said, no, not for sure them to say. Not all of us are like that. You know? Some just jump up and start help to because them now kind of, I get a little kick out of them helping the man them. I thought. Nobody never said nothing to me, but I thought so. Anyway, I helped who I could have helped, but the fact of the matter is that it's when the plane land, appears in the international after right the people, good God, the whole flight crew came to the steps and did this. Give the Jamaicans, because the people remember everybody's there for that plane. And they give the Jamaicans a round of applause because I think there was a door toward the back. Let me not quote me on it. And we were coming out because it nearer. They were giving a round of applause and the phrase was, gimme, 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 me say. I feel like I could have gone one of them and squeezed them blasted neck. I was so embarrassed. But people, you don't even know. You see that thing here? That same forward thing here. I forgot another episode, but guess what? That is all for tonight. Please join us next time on Life of King. God bless.
I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda America or I coulda England. Man, yeah, man. So I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter where me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda Canada or I coulda Thailand. Man, yeah. Original yard man, advanced like internet broadband all over the world.